Withdrawing money from Telegram to your bank account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Set up your Telegram account. Ensure that your Telegram account is fully set up and verified. You need to have a registered phone number and a profile to start using the payment features. Step 2. Link your bank account. Go to the settings in your Telegram app and find the payment options. Here, you will need to link your bank account by providing the necessary banking information such as your account number and routing number. Step 3. Access your wallet. If you have received money through Telegram, you will need to access your wallet within the app. Look for the wallet or payment section where your balance is displayed. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Once you are in your wallet, select the option to withdraw money. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. After initiating the withdrawal, you may need to confirm the transaction through a verification process, such as a code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, wait for the processing time, which can vary depending on your bank. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from Telegram to your bank account. Make sure to keep your app updated and check for any changes in the process as features may evolve.